Some years ago, I started to see the need for my education in technology, starting with drawings to get more accurate production in the shop. Technology has really become a huge part of our business between the CAD drawings, the 3D renderings and that sort of thing, as well as the computerized machinery that we're using to cut a lot of the products that we produce today. You know, I can see a 2D drawing and know what that project's going to look like, but most people can't see that. Most people can't visualize their projects. Taking the design ideas and creating your 3D room that you can walk around, you can see how this thing's going to look, how it's scaled, to see your furniture sitting beside it, all that sort of stuff. That became an enormous tool to help you, the homeowner, see your project. Before we even turn the first piece of equipment on to cut the first piece of wood, we know what that thing's going to look like, and so do you, the customer. We're taking kind of the mundane things of doing the dados and drilling holes and that sort of stuff that really doesn't take a lot of craftsmanship, and adding our CNC machine that does computerized cutting. We're utilizing that machine and the programs to do that very cleanly, very accurately, with great precision, freeing up all the other tools that we need for all the real craft-oriented woodworking that needs to be done. And you think technology and woodworking, really? But it really is amazing.